Most of the people who watch videos on the law of assumption know how powerful this law is. You all know how to use it, but when you try, nothing happens. I also faced the same problem when I had just started to apply the law of assumption. But don't worry, I overcame the problem, and after watching this video, you will be crystal clear on how to apply the law of assumption to manifest anything you want. I will share with you 3 powerful techniques that Neville Goddard recommended the most. So watch until the end, and let's get started. Part 1. Understanding the law of assumption. The law of assumption is a principle that explains how our assumptions and beliefs shape our reality. It suggests that what we assume to be true will ultimately be reflected in our experiences. Therefore, if we assume that we are capable of achieving a goal, we are more likely to achieve it. The law of assumption is similar to the law of attraction, which states that we attract what we focus on. However, the law of assumption emphasizes the importance of assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This means that we need to feel as if we already have what we desire in order to manifest it. For instance, let's say you want to manifest a new job. To apply the law of assumption, you need to assume the feeling of already having the job. This means you should visualize yourself in that job, feel the emotions of satisfaction and success, and act as if you already have that job. You should also focus on the positive aspects of the job and assume that it is already yours. Assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled is crucial because it directs your thoughts and actions towards achieving that goal. If you constantly think about and feel the emotions of already having the job, you'll naturally be more confident in interviews and more focused on job search opportunities. By doing so, you'll be more likely to attract the job you desire. Part 2. The importance of imagination. Imagination is a powerful tool for manifesting your desires. It is the creative force that allows you to impress images onto your subconscious mind. This is important because your subconscious mind is responsible for your beliefs and habits, which in turn shape your reality. For example, if you imagine yourself as a successful business owner, your subconscious mind will begin to believe that you are capable of achieving that goal. It will then influence your thoughts and actions to align with that belief. Visualization is a key aspect of imagination, as it helps you create a vivid mental image that your subconscious mind can use as a blueprint for manifesting that reality. When you visualize, you activate the power of your imagination, which helps you form a clear mental picture of your desired outcome. You can use all your senses to create a realistic and detailed image of your wish fulfilled, including how it looks, smells, sounds, tastes, and feels. If you want to manifest a new car, you can imagine yourself driving that car, feeling the smooth steering wheel in your hands, smelling the leather seats, hearing the engine purring, and feeling the wind in your hair. By doing so, you'll impress a clear and specific image of your desired car onto your subconscious mind, which will help you manifest it into your reality. Part 3. Techniques for applying the law of assumption. There are several techniques that can be used to apply the law of assumption in your life. These techniques are based on the principles of imagination and focus on the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Technique number 1. Mental conversations. Mental conversations are a powerful technique that allows you to reinforce your desired outcome by having imaginary conversations with yourself or someone else. The first step in engaging in mental conversations is to choose a specific outcome that you want to manifest. This could be anything from getting a promotion at work to finding your soulmate. It's important to be clear about what you want and to focus your thoughts on that specific outcome. Once you have identified the outcome you want to manifest, the next step is to imagine a conversation where someone congratulates you on achieving that outcome. This could be a friend, family member, or even a stranger. The key is to imagine someone acknowledging your success and congratulating you on your achievement. Finally, you need to respond in a way that confirms the outcome is already a reality. This means using positive and present tense language that reinforces the feeling of the wish fulfilled. For example, if you want to manifest a promotion at work, you might imagine a conversation where your boss congratulates you on your new role. You might respond by saying, "Thank you. I'm so excited to be in this new position and to take on new challenges." Mental conversations are effective because they allow you to experience the emotions of already having achieved your goal. By imagining a conversation where someone congratulates you on your success, you create a vivid mental image that your subconscious mind can use as a blueprint for manifesting that reality. The more you engage in mental conversations, the more natural it will feel to act and think in a way that aligns with your desired outcome. Technique number 2. I remember when. The I remember when technique is a powerful visualization method that uses the power of imagination to manifest your desires. The technique is based on the idea that by remembering a past experience when you have already achieved your desired outcome, you can bring the positive emotions associated with that experience into your present reality. The first step to using this technique is to choose a specific outcome that you wish to manifest. This could be anything from a new job to a happier relationship or improved health. Once you have identified your desired outcome, find a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax and focus your mind. Close your eyes and begin to visualize yourself in the past, remembering a time when you had already achieved your desired outcome. Try to make the mental image as vivid and detailed as possible. Imagine where you were, who was there, what you were doing, and how you felt. For instance, if you want to manifest a new job, visualize yourself in the future as having already landed the job of your dreams. You might picture yourself sitting in your new office, feeling confident and excited about your new role. As you visualize this experience, allow yourself to fully experience the positive emotions associated with achieving your goal. This might include feelings of joy, gratitude, and satisfaction. Let yourself feel these emotions as if they are happening right now. By doing so, you are training your mind to believe that your desired outcome has already occurred. Finally, open your eyes and return to your present reality, taking these positive emotions with you. Use these emotions to fuel your actions and thoughts and help you to stay focused on achieving your desired outcome. To understand more clearly, suppose you want to manifest a happier relationship. You might visualize a time in the past when you were in a deeply fulfilling and loving relationship. Imagine yourself sitting with your partner, holding hands, and feeling a deep sense of love and connection. As you immerse yourself in this mental image and feel the positive emotions associated with it, you can begin to align your thoughts and actions with your desired outcome and manifest a happier relationship in your present reality. Technique number 3, revision. Revision is a powerful technique for manifesting your desires that involves rewriting past events in your mind to align with your desired outcome. The premise behind this technique is that the events of our lives are not set in stone and can be changed through our thoughts and beliefs. To use the revision technique, start by recalling a past event that is related to your desired outcome. This could be something that went wrong or didn't turn out as you had hoped. As you replay the event in your mind, imagine that it happened exactly the way you wanted it to. Change the outcome of the event to match your desired outcome. For example, if you are looking to manifest a better relationship with a loved one, you might recall a time when you had a disagreement with them. In your mind, revise the conversation to one where you both calmly discuss your feelings and come to a mutually satisfying resolution. As you replay the revised event in your mind, focus on the positive emotions associated with the new outcome. Visualize how the new outcome would have affected your life and how it would have made you feel. It's important to note that this technique is not about denying or ignoring the past, but rather reframing it in a way that supports your desired outcome. By revising past events, you are shifting your perspective and beliefs about what is possible and opening yourself up to new possibilities. You can use the revision technique as often as you like to rewrite past events and create a new reality for yourself. The more you practice this technique, the more you will begin to see positive changes in your life. One of the key benefits of this technique is that it helps to release negative emotions and beliefs that may be holding you back from manifesting your desires. By revising past events and aligning them with your desired outcome, you are releasing any negative emotions associated with those events and replacing them with positive emotions and beliefs. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.